Aliena, what do you really do as a product designer?
I move pixels.
What do you mean?
Let's say I got a product request to design a new feature. I take some components from a template and I move them to a new page and then change the copy.
And you write the copies?
No. Content designers do the copies. I don't like this new design, Aliena. It's boring. You know what I mean?
Can you make it pop?
No, I cannot. The design is very clear. It passes the accessibility test. Elizabeth, I think you are very insecure about your product strategy.
Excuse me?
What I mean is that this new feature will suck anyways, no matter how pop I make it look. Hello, Ben. Let me show you the new feature design.
Yeah, let's take a look.
I want to be honest with you, Ben. I don't think you can make it.
What do you mean?
The alignment is very complicated, and my Figma file is extremely disorganized. In fact, I think it's even worse than my closet. Also, there are many breakpoints that I didn't design for because I was not paid enough to design for them, which means you'll have a miserable time trying to make things responsive and make things work.
That's bad. Aliena, what do you like the most about your job?
I like that I can listen to stuff when I work. So just in case I got a very boring project, I can just put on something fun, put on my headphone, and then balance things out. Balance, baby.
What do you listen to?
I listen to Audible because I always want to learn more, read more, but I just don't have the time to actually read more. So I just listen to the books now, and it's awesome. Plus, Audible sponsored today's video, which made it even better.
What are you listening to on Audible right now?
Let me show you. So I started off by listening to How to Win Friends and Influence People in the Digital Age by Dale Carnegie. It's really good, but something happened to my life and then I switched to listening to The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F*** by Mark Manson, and I'm so hooked on it. Strongly recommend.
Okay, do you have any design book recommendation? Because I'm a bit curious about the UX design field.
You shall totally listen to The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman. This one. Don Norman literally started the field of UX design, so you know how great this book must be.
So the design of everyday thing. I'll do that.
Oh, and you shall also listen to Never Eat Alone. Yes, Never Eat Alone by Kes Farazi. I've said it in so many of my YouTube videos because many of my friends are trying to transfer into the design field and then they're struggling to find real-world project. I usually just recommend them to read this book.
Oh, cool. How can I get Audible?
Oh, easy. Just go to audible.com/AlienaCai. Or you can also text the code AlienaCai to 500500. New members can try Audible for 30 days.
I'm doing that now. Oh, it works.
Hey, Aliena. Hey, Elizabeth. We have a high priority project that requires everyone's immediate attention. This is a firefighting project, so everyone needs to drop whatever you guys are doing and then focus all your effort on this project. You shall call 911.
What?
If there's a fire, call 911.
No, Aliena. It's not a literal fire. This is an emergent project, a request from our investors. You know how last time they wanted us to change the entire platform to an NFT marketplace for digital dresses? The investors came to the realization that AI is going to be bigger than NFT. So they requested us to add something like a ChatGPT in our platform. Do you think you can provide us some design by the end of week?
No. Look, You said this is a firefighting project. I'm the designer, I'm not a fireman. Carry on your analogy, I'm literally here trying to stack the bricks together to build a building. Now someone came in and set the entire building on fire. I'm supposed to run, ma'am. I don't even have free water. Oh, I think it would be so great if you give everyone on the team a paid month off. Hire a team of firefighters. And once the fire is gone, I can come back to work with peace.
Aliena, you are fired.
What's the project again? ChatGPT, right? Yeah, end of the week is fine.